Good evening, y'all. Today, I want to introduce myself. I'm Grandpa Charlie, and I got a new show coming out today. So I want to start by saying howdy and how do you do. Okay, first off, I'm going to start off saying that I'm a little tired today. I went to bed about 1 p.m. this morning. You know how Grandpa Charlie do it. Beyonce was over. I just got to tell you that Beyonce was over and she is so fine. If she could marry that ugly ass Jay-Z, you know Grandpa Charlie have a chance. You think I'm lying? Grandpa Charlie still got it. I might not last a long time. Beyonce said I want to last 5 minutes. But you know Grandpa Charlie still have it. Look here, look here, look here. Grandpa Charlie have Viagra, Cialis, and still I only lasted 5 minutes. But you know what? 5 minutes for an old Grandpa Charlie is a lifetime of fun. Look here, look here. Everybody want to know where this Grandpa Charlie come from. Well, let me tell you all where Grandpa Charlie come from. Where Grandpa was when he was little. In elementary school, me, Grandpa Charlie, was a nerd. Yes, one of the biggest nerd in the high school. I couldn't even spell ABC. In high school, Grandpa Charlie became a pimp daddy. Yes, oh, I was so sexy from my hair to my toenail. Even though I had some big ugly toenails, my toenail black, looked like a scorpion in Africa. Yes, Grandpa Charlie was a player. Grandpa Charlie have all the girls and couldn't keep no girls in my pocket. Look, look, look here, look here, look here. Look at it, look here, look here. Look at this hole. Look at this hole in Grandpa Charlie's pocket. All my pocket have hole and all my girls just fall right out to the floor. I can't keep none of the girls in my pocket. But I got to tell you all, Grandpa Charlie was once married. Yes, I have a sexy ass girl. She was so fine. Her hair run like a river stream. I had to pay her dad. This is a secret between me and you. I had to pay her dad $5 billion just to marry her. That's how bad Grandpa Charlie is. I'm telling you, Grandpa Charlie is a player. Grandpa Charlie have 3 kids. Yes, I was a player. I got 3 kids. The eldest was my son. I named him Ford Escape. The reason I named him Ford Escape, because every time he give trouble and I want to whip his little ass, tear that ass up. You see my belt? The little fucker escape. Grandpa Charlie couldn't afford a Mercedes Benz. Grandpa Charlie couldn't afford a Mercedes Benz. All I have was a broke down Buick. So I said, I'm going to name my daughter Mercedes Benz. Smallest little son, I named him Malibu. You know why I named him Malibu? Because he was the ugliest little thing, black little thing Grandpa Charlie have ever seen in his life. I should have taken a paternity test because you know Grandpa Charlie is handsome, sexy, cute. But my little son, I tell you, that little boy was ugly like my big toe. My big toe get raked off. I was riding my bicycle once when I was small and I hit the side of a cement with my bicycle and my toe was gone. And it was so ugly, and that's why I call my little boy Malibu, because he's ugly like my big toe. I don't understand why all these people always naming their kids Prince, Queen, oh man, Urana, Mercedes, Range Rover. I don't understand why these people name these kids all these pretty names and their kids so ugly. The baby's ugly. Why they don't name their kids the way the kids look? Like Gorilla, Big Eye, Earthworm, Pinocchio, Slave. Anyway, before I continue, Grandpa Charlie is getting a little hungry. So Grandpa Charlie going to eat himself a little food. So just be patient with Grandpa Charlie. Grandpa Charlie loves candy. But you know what? As old as Grandpa Charlie is, Grandpa Charlie can't eat too much candy because Grandpa Charlie got sugar. And you know what sugar is? Grandpa Charlie is healthy. Grandpa Charlie don't want to lose a foot or a arm or lose something really special to Grandpa Charlie. So I'm just going to take one more suck of this nice juicy candy. I'm going to wrap it right up back. Wrap this beautiful nice candy back right up. And I'm going to take this candy home for my little grandchildren because my little grandchildren love Grandpa Charlie candy. If they only know Grandpa Charlie sucked this candy before he gives it to them. I might be old, but I'm not cold. Don't look at me that way. I might be your dad. You never know. Grandpa Charlie was a player. Every time my wife back then, when I was about 30 years old, asked me, he said, Charlie, what do you want for breakfast, baby? What do you want for dinner, baby? I said, Berta, that's a stupid question, Berta. You know what Grandpa Charlie wanted for dinner? Grandpa Charlie wanted pork chops. Pork chops. For all you all out there who old enough to understand what I'm talking about, you know what I mean when I say Grandpa Charlie want pork chops.
Bridges falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. I'm this man from the 501 position, hand and make some rose got scream when you see me. This your song, bashing up the party. I'm cute, yeah, baby, I'm cocky. Same personality like my daddy. I'm Sonic, I'm a cool boy, I'm handsome. Just a little shy, but on stage we make big girls cry. Yeah, baby, you know I'm that guy. Always keep it real, that's no lie. Featuring honesty all night. Skip to my low.
Where me brown girl there? Me can't find you.
Skip to my low.
Right foot, left foot, let me see where you go down.
Skip to my low.
I lost my partner, what should I do? Where the kids them there? Where the kids